Hi there, I hope you enjoyed the video. I want to give a little bit of background about this project and explain why I made it. So, back when I started to do blacksmith, like a couple of years back, one of the first things that I wanted to make was one of these kind of blacksmith knife. And yeah, I made one like exactly 2 years ago, exactly the same week of 2 years ago, oddly enough, and it was totally unintentional, by the way. Anyway, I decided to remake this project for two reasons. Main one being that I wanted to see if I can make a better one now than the one I did 2 years ago. And I haven't done much blacksmith over the past 2 years, but I did forge some stuff, so I wanted to see if there is any improvement. And the other reason is that I ended up cracking the other blacksmith knife that I had, and since I've been using it all the time, I really wanted a new one. Let me show you. So here you can see the crack. I think this one developed because I didn't temper enough the steel. Ball bearings are made of very tough steel and it gets super hard after the quench. And I think I didn't temper enough for a knife. In fact, it's still super hard, over 65 on the Rockwell scale. So as you saw, this time I tempered to higher temperature, and I also did 2 cycles of 2 hours. So I really hope it's enough this way. Other than that, you can see the knives are pretty similar. The new one is thinner overall and of course longer. And the aspects where I see some improvements are the taper for the handle that is now more consistent compared to this old one that from here to here is pretty much the same width. Then the ricasso area is now forged, while here I did ground it. And yeah, I kinda like more this one, but the technique is better here, I think. Finally, the scroll looks better on this side, in my opinion, and I think it's the more traditional way. And that's all. Thanks a lot for watching and see you next week with another project. Bye bye.